Good day everyone, here again Levite Optic. On my last video I teach you on how to do expired domain research, which I uploaded on my channel. And on this tutorial I'm going to show you on how to design Instagram post banner. How to design Instagram post banner on Canva. How to design Instagram post banner on Canva. So we're going to go to Canva. Here is Canva. You have to log in. You have to sign up. Either you sign up with free or you sign up with I purchased the premium plan. Here is the premium plan. I purchased the premium plan. And before we start this tutorial, I want you to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell for more new videos from Levite, from my channel Levite Optic. Thank you. So the next thing to do is go to, here is the home page. The next thing to do is go to templates. Here is templates. Click on template at the left side. Click on template. It's going to go to the templates. Good. Edit template. Remember, we want to use ready-made template to design our Instagram post banner. So let's click on social media. Click on social media. Add the social media banner that you can make use. So we want to make use of. You can make use of. This is Instagram post. That's what I want to do. Is Instagram stories. You want to make Instagram stories. You can see there are many Instagram reel. You only want Instagram. You can even check here, click on create and search for Instagram. It's going to bring you a list. You can see Instagram post. So let's start with our Instagram. Let's try this Instagram. Yes, Instagram post. Click on it. It's going to, you can see here is a new template for Instagrams. You can choose any of those to edit to our taste. So let's click on this, customize this template. Now it's going to take us to the where we're going to customize the banner to our own taste and upload to our Instagram page. You can see here is the template, the ready-made template. You can edit. You can even check to upload new templates. You can see there are new templates you can use. You can change it. You can change it to this, to anyone you want. You can see. So now we are here to edit. You can zoom it. You can zoom it here. So the next thing here to do is, if you want to, we can change this picture. You can change this picture. Just click on it and delete. We have already deleted the picture, and let's go here to for our own photo. Professor. I want to insert another new picture. Let's insert this. Yes. just click on it and drag inside. Click on it and drag inside. Inside the you can see we can minimize, we can just delete. Let me carry it again. Exit. Let me reduce it. Yes, it's been reduced. Drag inside. Just drag it inside here. You can see, yes. Double click. See. Double click again. You can see. You can delete and check another one. Let's check another one. Let's move this. Good. You can see. Double click to fit. You can see. So beautiful. The next thing is to edit this. The text. You can write how marketing works. You can see. You can edit the number. You can edit the contact. Find us. You can see. You can edit the text or delete. You can edit this. You can delete. You can put your website address here. www.google.com. You can see. You can change the background, this blue color. Click on it. Exit. Background color. Click on it and change. You can change to red. It's been changed. You can see. So I want to change this. Let's change this color as well. Click on the color. Here is it. Click on it and let's find another color for it. Just for black. Let's choose black. You can see. You can change the text color. You can change this color. Click on A, change it. You can see. So beautiful. So the next thing for you to do is, after designing the banner, next thing for you to do is click on share here and click on download. Click on download. You can make it, if you want to make transparent background, click on it. I don't need it. You can compress the file. Click on it to low quality. You can save download settings. Then what I want is, I want to download in JPEG. You can choose PNG format. You can choose PDF standard, but I'm choosing JPEG. After JPEG, the next thing to do is click on download. You can see it's downloading. It's done. Wow. Here is our design. Click on it to see our design. Click on it to see our design with just box. You can see. You can edit the number. You can edit the contact. Find us. You can see. You can edit the text or delete. You can edit this. You can delete. You can put your your website address here, www.google.com. Wow, you can see you can change the background, this blue color. Click on it, here is it, background color. Click on it and change. You can change to red. It's been changed, you can see. So I want to change this. Let's change this color as well. Click on the color, here is it, click on it, and let's find another color for it. This or black. Let's use black. You can see you can change the text color. You can check this color, click on the A, change it. You can see, so beautiful. So the next thing for you to do is, after designing the banner, next thing for you to do is click on share here and click on download. Click on download. You can make it, if you want to make transparent background, click on it. I don't need it. You can compress the file, click on it to low quality. You can save download settings. Then what I want is, I want to download in JPEG. You can choose PNG format, you can choose PDF standard, but I'm choosing JPEG. After JPEG, the next thing to do is click on download. You can see it's downloading. It's done. Wow, here is our design. Click on it to see our design. Click on it to see our design we just make on Canva. Our design we just made on Canva. Our design. Wow, so beautiful. Hope you learned from this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to our channel and click on notification bell for more new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.